Good morning, friends. Hope so you all are fine. Now, today, here we are going to discuss about estimating method for finding the square root. We have already learned about prime factorization method, repeated subtraction method, long division method to find the square root. Today, we are going to discuss about estimating method through which we can find the square root. Example we can take, that is, we need to find square root of 80 with the estimated method. How we can find it? First of all, we know that because 10 square is 100 and 9 square is 9 nines are 81 and 8 square is 8 eights are 64. So we find that this number comes between 80 comes between these two numbers, that is 9 square and 8 square. Which one is smaller? So 8. Okay, so we know that 8 square और 9 square के बीच में we will find 80. Clear? So we know that it will come between 84, 8 8 is 64 and 81. So estimating method, we can find it out that root 80 lies between square root of 80 lies between 8 and 9. Clear? We can take one more example of it. Example, suppose we are taking 500. So we know the round figure square root. Clear? So 500 comes, suppose if we take 5 5 is 25. So 4 square, we will get 4 4 ja 16. But if we take 40 square, so it will be 00. मतलब 40 से कम है. Clear? Then we take nearer figure, as we know that 11 square, 12 square, same way we can go it out. So 0 वाले से देखते थे 30 square, so 900, मतलब उससे भी छोटा है. अच्छा 20 square, so it will be 400. तो यहाँ से श्योरिटी हो जाता है कि 20 और 30 के बीच में आ रहा है. पहला तो ये पता चल रहा है. वी आर गेटिंग दिस. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मिडल ऑफ दिस, सो 25 स्क्वायर. So 25 we know how to find the square root. Last digit is 25 and 2 and the next digit is 2 3 ja 6, 625. So from here we get a surety that therefore root 500 lies between 20 square and 25 square. Okay, square root of 20 and 25. Okay, क्योंकि 20 का हो रहा है 400 और इसका हो रहा है 625. नाउ स्टिल वी नीड टू गो क्लोजर टू इट, और भी करीब जाना है. क्लियर? सो हाउ वी कैन गो दैट? और भी करीब जाने के लिए वी नीड टू चेक फॉर 21, 22, 23 एंड 24. ओके, किसका किसका करना कर रहा है? स्क्वायर 21 स्क्वायर, 22 स्क्वायर, 23 स्क्वायर, 24 स्क्वायर. Okay, so we need to go closer to it, which will be very close to this number. Suppose 21 square, so orally हम लोग कर सकते हैं 1 1 जा 1, 2 1 जा 2 into 3 means 4 and 2 2 जा 4. We can go for this one also. 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 and 2 2 जा 4. ये भी मिल रहा है. Now 23, 3 3s are 9, clear, and 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, to 2 carry over 1 left, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 529, clear. So from here you get an idea, it comes between these two. Therefore we can write 500 root 500 is possible or lies between 22 and 23. Clear? We can proceed with few more examples also. Another example, example number 3, we take 1000. So generalizely round figure वाला first of all we will say. So 4 square लास्ट वाले में हम लोग ने देखा था 4 square. So 3 square 900, 30 sorry, and 40 square will be 1600. So we know that it will be between these two. 1000 comes between 30 square and 40 square. Now we want to still come closer. Okay, so we can take middle of this, that is 35 square. So 35 के लिए 25 for this 5, and this will be 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. So 1225. So it is less, 1000 is less than 1225, means between 30 and 35. Therefore we come to a conclusion that root 1000 lies between 30 and 35. Still we need to come closer, an exact one. Okay, so we have to check 31 square, 32 square, 33 square, 34. चार बंदे हैं. 31 square easy है. 1 1 जा 1, फिर ये तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई, 3 1 जा 3, 2 जा 6, and 3 3 जा 9. So 961, quite closer to 1000. Now 32 का देख लेते हैं. 2 2 जा 4. Now multiplication of these 3, 3 2 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. So 2 and carry over 1 left. ठीक है. 3 3 जा 9 plus 1 10. So 1024. So from here we get an idea, 1000 comes between this square of 31 square and 32 square. Therefore we can write the root of 1000 lies between 31, root of 31 square and 32. This is estimate, andajo. Clear? We can take and do many more examples, but we will solve it in our exercise 6.4. Hope so this much clear to you all.